Hi everyone, I got a few things here to share with you. Now, Jane Robinson, who bought the carousel. Jane, I found these in some jewellery bags that I've been doing, and I know you like black and silver, and that's the only bits of black and silver there was. So I'm going to put that into a little bag, and I'll put it inside the box and send that down to you, love, just as a little freebie. I appreciate everybody's orders and that, but Jane only does black and silver, and that's all there was. So she doesn't get the opportunity to buy the bags because she doesn't collect them, you know, the jewellery bags and that. Next thing is this. I got some more of this in, and ready for doing the, you know, bezels to stick the stones in. And so that will get used. It's just a flat wire. You can see it's just a thin flat wire. See, like that. I've got these in. These are going to be sold as they are in the shop. So they're for you, you know, well, anybody who wants them. You don't have to be a junk journal, you know, person, but I do put them in the junk journals as well. So you get 3 of those. 3 of those. 3 of those. And also 3 of those. Like little message. There is 3 there, yeah. Like little messages. Then they, oops. Lots of these little snippets. And they're made from vellum. So let me just see. Oh, you're getting these. See, there's 3 of those. 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 Then you're getting some of these little vintage pictures. Letters. Recipes. Orders. And then you're going back to these. Now, they're not vellum, are they, silly old? I do apologise. If I remember rightly, oh, there's some more of those, look. Oh, hang on, there's a whole load of them. Just various pictures. You got the same amount in each book, in each pack. Let me just see what these were. Yeah, these were like mini letters and things like that. So you're getting lots of card. But I'll tell you what these are, because I've just remembered. If I'm not mistaken, they're not vellum, silly old fee. See, I've no nails, can't see, but they're sticky back. That's it, they're sticky. See? And you've got all of those. There's lots of them, lots of different ones I've put in. So this is a pack. See, there's loads of them. So that's the small pack. Might only be a small pack, there's plenty there. And that will be sold on the shop. Let me just take a quick picture of them. Spread them all out so we can see there's plenty in there. And I'll take a really quick picture. And I'll gather all of these up together. It doesn't matter that they're all mixed up, you'll have a good look through them. Been a lovely day today again, but I have been busy. I'm trying so hard to get the craft room sorted and whatnot. I'll show you later, but I actually got ready to get me it's a 9-hole tube, a 9-cube unit that sits on my desk. And instead of having everything surrounded me like that, it's all up now on the 3 levels. So I have more room on my desk because I was getting really cluttered in and I didn't like it. But it's right in front of me and everything where I need it, so that's perfect. I can work a little bit better now. Right, but like I say, they're on the shop. There's a good collection in them. So that's those. These have just come in. I ordered them ages ago, but they've just come in because I'm going to do a project. But you only need half an egg. And you're going to go, what? Yeah, you only need half an egg and a stand. And then I'll show you a project you can do with that. So one egg will do 2 projects. And you can give them as gifts. Now the next thing is, I've done these. I've just bagged all these up. These are all the beads and jewellery that we've got hanging them out. And I have to say, you've got earrings, necklaces, pendants, and lots of beautiful beads. So I'll show you a couple of packs because they're all from the same batch of material. They've all got necklaces, they've all got pendants, they've all got glass, metal, wooden, crystal. They've got everything in them. So I'm just going to share with you a bag. Yeah. Right, okay, there's loads in it. So, that's got some earrings there. It was an ear, well, it is an earring, but you can clip it off. There's some bling stuff there, and a little charmy thing there. There's charms in it as well. Like a tassel, a beaded metal tassel. Gorgeous little bling thing, brooch. Pendants. Earrings, sections, beaded. Beautiful. Everyone's got these, look. They're quite heavy as well. I'd like the Chinese, I think. Or Japanese, not sure. Beads, absolutely brilliant, but can be used as in a miniature or something like that. There's a bracelet that can be taken apart. Earrings, diamantes, things you can use for flower centres. Necklace. Lots and lots of little earrings that you can use as things, little ditties here and there. Vintage. Flowers. Danglies. That's vintage, don't know. Yeah, vintage. Flat pearl. Shell. Pearl shell. Another pearl shell bead. More charmy bits. Fasteners. There's small charms as well. Like a little heart with a diamante. Earring. Beaded earrings. And like I said, there's your crystals. Oops. A crystal. There's good variety of everything in here for you to play around with. Nice beads. And there's lots of them. So now see if I can get these back in the bag. There's some spacers as well. So I will number the bags and you'll see. I'm going to show you them and you can see then what you want to go for. Right, so that is... The bags don't even fasten. That is bag number 1. Do you know what? I'm not going to go through them all. They're all roughly the same. You have got different... Look, there's another shell one. There's some beautiful big pop bead there. Lots of different things in them. Look at these beads. That's glass. Bracelets in them. Earring pack. Pendants. You can see the crampacks with stuff and they're well worth it because you wouldn't buy... Oh, look at that diamante. That's huge, that one. Oh. Like pendants. Big ones. Big. There's that bead again. more pot beads, rose beads. Just lots and lots of things. There's that bead. In them. There's that bead again. Even got beads with letters on. But yeah. Do you know what? It'll be first come, first serve. I'm just going to put them on these 7 bags. And then they all come from the same batch. They're all roughly the same. There's very little difference between them. So that's those. And like I say, grab them while you can. I think we sold out the last lot quickly. So it's up to you to go and nab them. Not me, you. Okie dokie. Right. And then what? I think that's it. I'm looking forward to this. I'm just going to finish some more bits for Jane. I'm going to come back and... I didn't get a chance, Jane, to do it today. I'm really sorry. I just didn't. I've had a lot to do and I had to clear my desk to get the unit up. We had to build the unit. And I'm tired. Really tired. So I'm going to pack in. But I'm going to do this tomorrow. This will be my first job tomorrow, Jane. Because I've done everything else. Let me think. Yeah, and then I think I can pack all your stuff, love. Thanks for watching. Take care, and I'll speak to you all soon. Bye-bye for now.